I broke my game.
What?
Okay, no, I fixed it.
Cool.
Jesus.
Team Mystic is the only team. I hate you guys.
Instinct forever. Where are we
Fuck you.
going? He's away.
I'm on your side. What?
Mm-mm.
Where are we dropping? Let's just go to restored wheels.
I'm just gonna pretend that that Junko is
Yeah.
not on my team just so I could be a hater.
Brother.
That's valid.
Okay.
My Pookie is awake.
Who's over? Oh, that's you.
Did anyone else land here?
Yes.
No.
Swifty Jacob.
Where are you, Sue?
The gay man?
I'm killing everyone.
Oh, not far.
Avengers. Okay, they got a turret. I love auto turrets. There we go.
I hate everyone. They're all like, you just turn on the icons. You'll be able to see where the chest is. No, I still don't know where it is. Because it spins around. So no, I don't know where it is.
This nigga got a Cybertruck! Where's he going? They're afraid of me, bro. They are terrified.
I am lagging so bad. Whoops.
These niggas are fucking just absolutely. This is
Junglo. Junglo.
What's up? What's up?
Oh, you got full shield.
Oh. Well, Susie needs that.
I don't need shit, bro. I'm killing everything.
Hello, Peely.
What peeling? They peely.
Swarm appeal.
What peeling? They peely.
Swarm machine.
Do they have an auto target thing too? Oh my god, how are you alive? I shot them like 80,000 times.
Thug and Company is down. We have to save Thug and Company. They got the beam on my ass. It's over. I'm just gonna get the thing. Just gonna get that. I'm just gonna just gonna turn around. Just gonna go. Yep. Cool. That works for me. Did you see that, Choco?
Oh. He's
They
having a
didn't want
good
to
time.
smoke. They could smell my aura. Where's Snoogie?
I'm doing my best.
Having a whole other adventure.
I really fucking am, dude. It's great. Well, this is a whole separate.
Where is Susie? I heard her on the map.
These guys.
Oh, there you
I
are.
was far-ish. Thank you, Albert.
Where did my car go?
You're welcome, Thug. Did it work?
They
It
got
didn't
away.
work, it didn't work!
They got away, bruh.
Whoa! What the heck? I thought it just didn't revive you for no reason.
No, but it refused. There we go. fucked up in that goddamn airplane. Yeah, let me just gamble all my stuff away. I love gambling. I love gambling.
Oh,
I got nothing.
did you not want any of these?
Who?
That's what popped out of the thing.
Uji Itadori.
I already
don't
have like
care.
a full inventory.
Booty Itadori.
Kill him!
Oh my god, Jungle, come here. Look at the voice lines above the thing. It said, ow, my screen, please have mercy.
Ew. Bro, it's sentient.
Oh my god, dude, I hate edible tweets. They're so annoying.
I'm
Guys,
so fucking upset, dude.
accidentally ate 65 edible. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Anyone who eats food knows that, like, if you picked up a gummy bear and it tastes like literal wax, it's like,
This is an interesting flavor.
Ugh. Yeah.
I actually ate
Wax
13,
flavor.
and like you ate 13 edibles, you counted them as you were eating them, huh? Fucker. Like, guys, took a bit of this, bite of this edible, and they speak like, and I'm like, okay. Anyway, yawn.
I love engagement bait.
Not my lasagna 18 has died.
Poor
This
guy.
fucking duck, dude. Oh my god.
Platinum Pony, eliminated guard melody with a pistol.
You have minis, Albert? Swag, thank you.
Where's busting?
Oh,
Whoa!
shit.
No! No, you fuck! You! No! Damn it!
Yeah, imagine coming out of nowhere.
We're so goated.
I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Y'all, I need your help now!
Okay, we're on the way, we're on the
We're
way.
on the way. Maybe if you weren't like 60 miles away.
Bro.
A little easier.
Okay, this better go on.
Ah!
Are you ignoring them?
No,
Stop
come here, come here,
screaming!
come here, come here. I need a gun, somebody give me a gun, give me a gun, gun, gun. Ignore these fucks! This is not the important fight! Give me a gun, anyone give me a gun!
Really
Bro,
deep.
bro,
Oh my
here.
god. Hush that mouth.
There's ducks, there's birds! These fuckers! I've been at war! This entire match! I need them dead!
This is so...
This... You! Rick! You're not a part of their group. Don't kill him! You!
There's a car coming up.
You! You!
More birds.
Can you get back up here so we can go toward the circle? Look out. Whoa, they got us both. We should run.
I got one. Please, please, kill this fucking bird! I swear to God!
Oh, he's low, he's low, he's so low, Albert.
Let's go!
Oh,
Let's go! Fuck yeah!
You just had like a whole like
Yes!
in this book.
Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Yes!
Can't hear a damn thing you're saying for like the last 5 minutes. It's just hurting.
I have 70 of this.
Let's fucking go! Oh my god!